Select User ID. Now enter your network username and then select OK. Select Password. Now enter your PIN and then select OK.
Then select Login.
Choose Scan to Me from the launcher screen.
Select Next. To change scanning defaults, select Scan Setting. To change to colour scanning, select Type, and then Full Colour. To change to two-sided scanning, select Feed, and then double-sided. Select Done to confirm the changes, and then select Scan. Documents should be placed face up in the feeder.
Select Done, and then select Log Out to finish.